In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with GitHub. If you've ever wanted to streamline your workflow by connecting your project management tools with your version control system, you're in the right place. This integration will allow you to manage your tasks more efficiently by linking your Asana tasks with your GitHub repositories. So, let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to sign in to your Asana account. If you're not familiar, Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps you coordinate and track your team's projects and tasks. After signing in, locate the project or task that you want to integrate with GitHub. This is as simple as navigating through your dashboard and selecting the appropriate project. Once you have your project or task open, you'll see a variety of options to help you customize your project experience on the right-hand side of the screen. Next, you'll click on the button labeled Customize, and then choose Apps from the drop-down menu. This area allows you to enhance the capabilities of your projects by integrating with third-party applications. It's here that you'll search for the GitHub app. Just type GitHub into the search box, and you should see it appear as an option. This app will bridge the gap between Asana and your GitHub activities, making it easier to monitor code changes and development progress directly from your task lists. Once you see the GitHub app, click on it and then hit Connect. This step is essential because it starts the process of linking your Asana account to GitHub, thus allowing seamless interaction between the two platforms. You'll be prompted to authorize access to your GitHub account. This is a necessary step for security reasons, ensuring that the linking of accounts is both legitimate and secure. Don't be alarmed by this. It's merely a standard procedure to maintain the integrity of your data across both platforms. After you've clicked Authorize, GitHub may ask you to sign in if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login details handy, as you'll need to enter them to proceed. This is another safeguard to confirm that you are indeed the user who wants to grant this access. Once you've signed in and authorized the connection, the integration should be complete. You'll now be able to seamlessly track your GitHub repositories and link commits or pull requests with Asana tasks, providing a consolidated view of your project management and development efforts. And there you have it, connecting Asana with GitHub in just a few simple steps. By following these instructions, you'll enhance your productivity and synchronization capabilities across platforms. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult the help sections of either platform for more detailed support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for optimizing your workflow.